Audio Jungle.
Click on plugin, then click on add new. New interface will appear. Right side of this window, search bar, type PayPal, 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 then press enter from your keyboard. Lot of result will show you. Just select WooCommerce PayPal by WooCommerce. It is very important who create this plugin. Then click active. This plugin will active within few seconds. After active, just go to the install plugin. Then click here lot of settings. Payment option. Just at first you make to ensure it is running or switch off. So just click on settings. Our plugin is slow, so that's why it's coming too late. Just if you don't enable this checkbox, it will not work. Just click on payment. In your website, if any payment method available, then it will show. In payment section, you should put all information accurate. Here you can see we have others payment option also, PayPal, cash on delivery, bKash. Just on this button, PayPal option, to run this plugin, I am click on. If this button is buried, then you will guess it is on. Now our button is pressed. So just I'll jump to the payment option. Here if you chose any product, now it is available. Look, MyCash, bKash, PayPal, lot of payment is available here. So in the payment section, your information is have to ensure according to your bank account. If your bank account information and this information don't match, then you can get the payment. So now our PayPal option is showing. Very bottom. Just select the payment or PayPal anywhere, and then it will redirect us purchase option.